going to the plage. Yeah, Cabor Beach. Ibang lahi nga pala yung nasa baba. Kaway-kaway.
Ang nasa baba.
Sa baba natin, kanina sa bus.
Ayun, tumakata. Hindi ka maliligo, no? Tingnan mo yung matatanda, oh. Yung nagbabakasyon. Ang dami matanda dito. Nag-walkie-walkie. Ang dami din matanda. Parang ano nila dito, ah. Parang retirement. Uno? Oo. No? Walkie-walkie. Ganda kasi yung lugar.
It's high tide now. Those are birds. They are catching fish. Waiting for our lunch.
Kumuha na ba siya ng order natin?
The chits.
Isa lang naman.
Waiting for lunch.
Gusto lang sinabi na nila, no? Later guys, watch out for the beach adventure.
After
Ang ganda mo
lunch.
to. Ang ganda.
Here's our food. Siyempre, nandito tayo sa Normandy. Ito talaga yung kanilang specialty. Labyo, labing fries, labing Coca-Cola. Lamem.
Masarap yung plate nila. Yung kanilang plate.
Dumating na yung order namin. As usual, yung specialty na Normandy.
Ah, so pwede mo yun isi-send mo.
Yeah, sarap ng plate. This is from Normandy. We are here at Cabor. So we need to eat the specialty, which is the meal.
Sige, nag-picture na ako. Doon kayo. Kasi may kasama ko yung bata. Sige. Isa-isa. Sige, ta.
Guys, another place, but it's also connected to
Caborg.
Caborg.
And the other, it's the center
Another side.
between Caborg and
We have just
Olgat.
crossed the bridge. And then just one town, maybe this one.
Yeah, another town.
And then the next one is Olgat, where we went already before. It is nice.
Yeah.
Bear with us.